Somebody. Guys, we are going to be starting our lesson anytime from now. Hello, hello. Hello. Hey guys, how are you doing? We are going to be having our chat analysis today. We're going to be having our chat analysis today, and then uh, guys, okay. Aduku, how are you? Rikidi, welcome back. You guys are willing to be okay. Kawalia shown already in the house. Yes, you guys are doing a very good job. Emmanuel, how are you? Julius, greeting to you. How are you doing? Guys, welcome. Thank you so much for thinking about your future. You are doing yourself a very good job. Keep on going hard. Don't lose hope. Your time is coming. Okay? As I've always told you every single time, your time is coming. Just make sure that you keep on doing what you have to be doing every single time. Your time is going to come. So today we are going to be talking about we're going to continue with chart analysis and entry points and all that. Samurai, how are you? How are you? How are you doing? Hey guys, how are you guys doing? You can copy the link for the YouTube, share it in any group that you are in, tell them that you're going to be studying. We are going to be starting our lessons in the next few minutes from now. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. And then, guys, don't lose hope when it comes to trading. Just know one thing, trading is a long journey. But the good thing is that it's worth it. You just have to keep on doing what you have to be doing. Eventually, your time is going to come. Okay? We're going to go into chart analysis today, and then entry points and all that. You understand? So after being here, we're going to be here like for some 30 minutes or 1 hour. I'm not sure. And then after one, we'll be on TikTok. On TikTok, we are going to be talking about what it really needs or what it really takes to become successful. Oh, Julius, you're asking about you want to join the premium group. Okay, Julius, you shouldn't worry. Let us done with this lesson, and then you're going to contact me. We are going to talk in the inbox. It's fine. I will find a way how we can work on that so that you can join the premium group. So, members, as I've told you, the premium group is for those who can afford it. We are going to have extra lessons in premium group, extra strategies and whatever and all that. And then those who are going to be the premium group are going to be having direct access to me. In case there is anything, I will be able to help them in their trading. So it's only for those who can afford. Those who can't afford right now, members, you shouldn't worry. Everything is fine. There is no pressure. Okay, you can still stick on the other group for the free lessons. Everything is going to be fine. You understand? So we're going to be that. So yes, Julius, let us get done here. We're going to find a way how we can add you on our group. Hi members, please start telling me, guys, where are you right now? If you are traveling, let us know. Happy to be here. Okay, ni Girinziko. Ni Girinziko Emmanuel. Wow, that's a long name. Emmanuel, how are you? Guys, talk to me. Where are you guys right now? Me, I am in Nansana. I don't know whether you know Nansana. I'm in Nansana right now. Nansana Kukayembe. Wow, I don't know Kukayembe. By the way, guys, if you can hear me, type 1 and then let me know where you guys are. I don't know whether you guys are even hearing me. Members, neeyogeza nzekka oba? Fuck it. Fuck it. Again. Guys, can you hear me? Guys, I'm so sorry about that. The network had gone off. I don't know, guys. Can you hear me now? Hello? Guys, if you can hear me, type 1. If you can hear me, type 1. The network was off. I don't know whether it's fine now. I don't know what's wrong with YouTube for real. Okay. So you guys can hear me now, right? My goodness. Mwana bino network bya mwana bya YouTube mwana sitegera. Ku network ku simu eri clear ate ku laptop ku gundi sitegera mwana. Ne kati ndisuwa wasi ndisuwa. Muntegeza nanti. Tiro kweyogeza nzekka ana network bya network bino nabasibitegera bulungi. Mwana. Okay, guys, we are going to be starting our lesson in the next few minutes from now. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being here. Okay, members, talk to me. How long have you been trading? Can you type for me how long you have been trading? And then how long you have been trading? And then type for me what is the biggest struggle you have in trading. What is the biggest struggle you have in trading? How long have you been trading and what is the biggest struggle you have in trading? Okay, beginner. Okay, you have no struggle yet. You're still learning. And then how long have you been trading and what is the biggest struggle you have in trading? Okay, Letitia, you have been trading for 3 years. What is the big? Okay, Rashid is having entries. Rashid, the reason why people have entries is because people enter early. Fibonacci retracement, Andre, forget about this. That is bullshit. This thing of Fibonacci, that one is going to give you a lot of problems. Stop following it. Stop following it. That's what I can tell you. A lot of people use it, but at the end of the day, it has a lot of faults too. The market has its own way how it moves, so Fibonacci will not help you exactly the way you want it. Okay, Julius, you are just starting. Julius, you shouldn't worry. Okay. Okay, for those members who are just starting how to trade, I want you to be live today on YouTube. We are going to be talking about, on TikTok, we're going to be talking about some things in the next 1 hour from now for those new members. And then for members who want to become successful too, be alive on YouTube. We are going to be talking about qualities of what it really takes to become successful. Letitia, lack of capital, fear, and entry. Now, Letitia, lack of capital, put it aside. Then let us talk about fear and entry. Adulu Emmanuel, you have just been here in 1 month. Adulu, let me hope you have gotten a pair that you are trading already. It is very important. Okay, Samurai, I'm very, very happy for you that since you joined us, you are seeing some results. That's amazing. Letitia, indiscipline. Yes, indiscipline is one of the things that can take you ahead as a forex trader is discipline. So you have to make sure that you practice discipline on a daily basis. Discipline is very important. Okay, Gibson, my 3rd year. Gibson, what is the biggest problem that you have? In 3 years, you must be profitable already. You must be having a Mercedes-Benz and a Range Rover. Talk to me. What is the biggest problem you're having? Emmanuel, my entry stop analysis. Okay, you shouldn't worry, Emmanuel. Since you're just beginning here, we are going to make sure you work on it. Ricky D, how long have you been trading and what's the biggest problem you have? Kawala shown confirmations. Confirmations, that is price action. You need to learn price action. That's where you get confirmation for entries. Top-down analysis is a problem. I think that is the easiest thing. You should learn that as quick as possible. You just need to start from the day 4 hour. As long as day is bullish, 4 hour is bullish. Look for bullish trend. That's all. If we are going bearish in day and then 4 hour is bearish, also look for bearish trend. Just make sure that you follow the trend. And then again, who else is type how long you have been trading and the problem, and then I see how we can do it. Andrew Atwine, moving average has no problem. That it's very good. I use 50 length moving average. It is just helps to filter the trend direction, but that's all. You should be just looking for entries using your price action and all that. Guys, type to me how long you have been trading and your main issue when it comes to trading. So members, let us start, okay? Let us start. We are okay. What is about? Oh, funding platforms. Funding platforms are very good, but I don't recommend you buying funding platforms if you do not know how to trade, because I don't want you to lose your money there. It is better if first focus on learning how to trade, and then things are gonna be fine. Kawalia shown you have been trading for 3 months. Teach it to us. Gary, you have traded GBP JPY. Make sure if you're trading GBP JPY, make sure you focus so much on London session. You will get better entries on London session. Yebo sasa busy ngilana ku YouTube kwenza njani? Okay, ngiyabonga. Sorry about that. No, Emmanuel, you have been trading for 3 months and you're looking for entries. Emmanuel, right now, don't force it. You can't really get a way how to get entries. Give your brain time. You really need time to become better. 3 months, you can't figure out everything. It's like learning a new language and you want to start speaking the new language in 3 months. That won't happen. Just take your time, okay? Just keep on try to learn to do better. Your time is coming. Okay, African Stories by Genius. I am good at, but at demo because okay, African Genius. After this video call, go on my YouTube, watch the video that I uploaded yesterday. The difference between demo account and live account. You will see the reason why people make money on demo and why live account becomes a problem. The problem with the live account is because our emotions are involved: emotion of fear, greed, and impatience. Okay, so when you're using a live account, you have fear of missing out. You don't want a trade to go without you being inside. You develop fear of losing money. You fear of losing money. You see a setup, but you get afraid of getting into the trade because you fear to lose money because you have been losing. Then you develop fear of leaving money on the table. The market goes in your way, and then you get afraid of that the market is going to turn your way, and then you're going to come out of a winning trade too soon. Those are all the fears. And then the third fear is fear of being wrong. You understand? Just because the last trades the market was taking you out, and then you start thinking that even the next trade the market is going to take you out. That is the problem. You understand? So you need to work on those things. If you can work on your fear, patience, and then greed, trading live account will be as easy as trading demo. That is it. That's it. That's nothing else. That is it. I hope you can get me. Members, I think we can start right now. I think we can start right now. So, members, talk to me. What do you want us to talk about today? We are going to be talking about entries. You're going to be talking about entries and then chart analysis. I've been trading for 3 months. Maybe okay. My problem is entry. You have to, which minutes should we confirm entry? 5 minutes and 15 minutes are very good for entries. 5 minutes and 15 minutes is very good for entries. Okay, members. If you have your pen and your book, type 1 so that we can start. If you have your pen and your book, type 1 so that we can start. If you have your pen and your book, type 1 so that we can start. If you have your book and your pen, type 1. Members, as I've always told you, never trust your brain. I don't want you to hear something and then you forget it. As I've always told you, you write it down. You are speeding your process of becoming a profitable trader. So make sure that you keep on doing what you have to be doing. Okay. So you need to keep on doing what you have to be doing. So members, if you have your pen, or you want to know the high and the low of the fucking day, that is nice. You shouldn't worry. We are here for you. Okay. 5 6. 5 6. Perfect. Members, if you have your pen and your book ready next to you, if you have your pen and your book, type 1. We are going to start with the lessons. If you have your book and your pen next to you, type 1. Yes, we are going to be starting the lessons right now. If you have your pen and your book, type 1. So members, let us start right now. I think we have done enough. Guys, do you regret starting to trade, or you are enjoying the journey? Or you are tired? You can tell me. If you are tired of trading, you can let me know. Okay, let us start from here. Let us start from here. What is going on? Members, if you can see my screen, type 1. If you can't see my screen, type 2. So members, we are going to start with this. This is GBP JPY. This is what we talked about yesterday, that if you want to enter this market, you wait for it to break through. Look at what happened. The market broke through. This is 1 hour. It broke through already. Look here. Already we are in an upward trend. I hope you guys can see very well. Already we are in an upward trend, okay? So the market broke through, and the market broke through. Look at here. Now let us go to 4 hour. Members, do you see what is really happening right now? The market has broken through the structure. We have come back for a retest. You understand? The market has broken through the structure. Now what you need to do here, you just have to look for entries of going up with it. You understand? So what is happening right now in 15 minutes candle, we are having, the market is under resistance. So if we are under resistance over here, we don't do anything. You understand? If we want to buy, we have to wait for the market to break through this and go up. Then we wait for the market to come down. This is what we need to see. We need to see this, this, and then boom. Do you see this? This is what we need to see if we are to enter this market. We want to enter this market from the support going up with it. Why? Yesterday the market broke the structure. If you can see this, I want you guys to look here. This was the resistance the market broke through, so it closed above. Now we have come back for retracement. You understand? So members, this is an entry. You can see it. Now the market is going. We have picked liquidity. The market is going now. This is how they enter the trade. So how are you going to enter this trade? You have to wait for this market to go through above this, come back here, and then you see engulfing candles, then you go up with it. Now what you're going to do if you're entering this market, make sure you enter it here. You understand? Then put your stop loss maybe around here, below this, and then target this area. Enter here. Yes, a risk reward of 1 to 3 is good in this market. This is a really very good trend. You can see it. This is already an uptrend. We have been going up. This was just a retracement. If you can hear me, type 1. If you can't see what I'm saying, type 2. If you're understanding what I'm saying, type 1. If you can't understand what I'm saying, type 2. Okay, members, as I've told you, don't forget, don't expect to learn everything in one day. We are going to be taking these things step by step, slowly by slowly. We are just refining our entries. You hear me? That's all. We are refining our entries. That is all. You understand? This is really a good setup. Very, very good, because the market has been going up. You see now it is pushing, 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 pushing. You understand? So this is a very good setup, but you can't enter it from here. You have to wait for it to first pass through this. You understand? That's how you have to enter this market. So so somebody asked the high of the day. How do you know this? You see this week up, this week that I've touched here up, that's the highest. That's where the market last went. You understand? So if you're putting your take profit, never put your take profit above the highest high. You have to put it below this. Leave a little bit of space. Put it below this. Then there you go. Our members, you are getting what I'm saying. If you can't understand what I'm saying, don't force it. You understand? It takes some time to learn everything. So calm yourself down, okay? Everything is going to be fine. So this is how they enter this. Members, type in the section which other pair do you want us to see how we could enter it. We are trying to find ways how to get entries. You understand? First of all, we go with the trend. Second of all, we only enter at the area of interest, either at the support or at the resistance. That's how we trade. Which other pair do you want us to talk about? One, Euro USD. Okay. Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD. Okay, this is Euro USD. Okay. Euro USD. Euro USD. Let me see what is happening. Euro USD, we were in an uptrend, and then the market came down. Okay, for a retracement, but we are still having a lot of fair value gap. The market has left a lot of fair value gap. If you can see all this area, this is an uptrend because now the market has changed, shifted the structure. Okay, let us try to draw order blocks in this. How are we going to draw these order blocks? Let us start from here. Now this is, let us go to 1 hour. That's how best we can see this. Okay, let us go to 1 hour. Okay, this is the one. Members, the market was going down, as you can see, and now the market is behaving like it's going up. So this market, how can you trade this market the way you're seeing? The only way you can trade this market is by this. You have to wait for this market to break through this level up, to break through this, let it come back, and then let it go up, let it come back again here. That's when you get to it. This is how you trade this market. You wait for it to break through, let it come back, pick liquidity, let it break through again, it will come back again here. That's how you enter the market to go up with it. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. Or if this market is still in a downtrend, how could you enter this market? This is how you have to do it. This is how you have to do it. Wait for it to break through, let it come back, let it come back again here to retest, and then grab it to go down with it. Let it come back there to retest, and then grab it from here and then go down with it. Make sure your stop loss, your take profit is not so far. This is how you trade this. And then again, so members, I hope you guys are with me. So this is how, let me see, 4-hour candle. This is 4-hour candle. What we are going to do is this. This is 4-hour candle. Members, the market is still bullish. The market is still pushing. It just went here below to come and test. The market is still pushing. You understand? So a market that is here in between here, you can't trade the market that is here because we don't have any past data over here. So a market like this, you can't trade over here. You have to let it either pass through or you have to wait for it to get rejected to come down. But the way I'm seeing, the market is going up now. We are already in an upward trend, and then this is just a continuation of the trend. Okay, so here you have nothing to do about it. Which other pair do you want us to talk about? USD JPY. Let us see USD JPY. USD JPY. USD JPY. Okay. USD JPY. Yes, this is what is happening. USD JPY, we are in an upward trend, but now we have come back at the resistance. I want you guys to see this very, very well. Okay, look at what is happening. We are in an upward trend, and then again, what happened? The market members, the market was going up, as we can all see, and we are on this trend line. Okay, now what happened? The market has broken the trend line, so there is a possibility that the market is now going to drop, because first of all we are dropping from the resistance. You see this? This is what I've always been teaching you guys. If the market goes, let me show you. If the market goes at the resistance, you see this? Don't enter it. Let it be dropped down. Let it go past this place that it was last went. You see, it passed it here. And then, if it has just passed it and you see rejections, and you see that the market is retracing, that's where you have to enter to go down with it. That's how they trade. Already we are under resistance, which means that there's a likely chance of sellers coming back in the market to push the market down. You understand? So the best way how to trade this market is to go down with it. So this is how I'm seeing this market. This market, we are under a resistance. So the only way how to trade this is to go down with it, because we touched here and then the market went down, and then we passed this level, then we reached here on top. Now the market is going up. So this first entry that the market gives you first is always a false entry. Wait for it to go past it. That is, it's called liquidity grab or stop loss hunt, and then let it go down. That's when you grab it. If you're understanding what I'm saying, type 1. If you're not understanding what I'm saying, type 2. The reason why you have to wait for some entries to go twice, it is because the market sometimes fakes out a lot. You understand? So most of the time when the market wants to go in your way, it fakes out a lot. So you have to be very, very careful. You understand? So you have to be very, very careful. Which other pairs do you want us to talk about? But okay, wait, before going there, guys, are you understanding this type of entry? Do you understand what I'm talking about? Okay, somebody wants us to go to gold. Golodi. Whoa! Gold, this is an upward fucking trend. The trend has changed. We are going up now. Members, remember, it doesn't need a day for the trend to change. We can be bullish and then the market changes to bearish. Yes, this is the upward trend. Anybody can see. The only way to trade this market is to go up with it. But now, if you're a gold trader, how can you trade this? Do this. Go back to 1 hour. Let us see what is happening. Go back to 1 hour. Let's go back to 1 hour. We are having members in gold traders. Gold traders, I recommend you to draw your order blocks in 1 hour, because gold fakes out a lot. Draw your order blocks in 1 hour, and then again, if you're a gold trader, don't enter at the first entry. If the market gives you an entry, don't enter. Don't wait for the second entry always, because first entry is always a false one. So this is gold. You see this, we are having this and this. Okay. Now if we go to 15 minutes, so members, we are having this, we are having this, we are having this on the screen. So how can you trade this? The market is in a bullish trend. How can you trade this? Now, the only way how you can trade this is by waiting for the market to come past all these levels, let it drop down, let it be rejected, let it go back up, then let it come back, and then you can boom, you can go up with it. You understand? But if you're going up with it, don't make sure that your take profit is at the highest high where the market last went. Don't always pass the place because you're not sure if the market is going to pass that place. So if you're to trade this, this is the only way I see that you can trade this. Wait for the market to pass below this, let you see some rejection, then go up with it. You understand? Right now, you can't think of dropping with the market because it's already a downtrend, it's already an uptrend. You just have to be patient and wait. But where the market is right now for any gold trader, I don't recommend trading gold right now because it's on its highest high. You don't know what's going to happen next, whether the trend is going to change or it's going to continue. You understand? The only way how to trade forex is to trade the market is through the past data. If you don't have the past data, you can't know where to put your take profit or all that. Do you guys understand me? So the only way we can trade a market whereby we have past data to know entries and exits. That's how it is done. That's why patience is very, very important. So like right now, uh, the market is on its on highest high. We don't know whether the market is going to continue up or it's going to start dropping. So the easiest way is to come to be patient and wait. That's all. That's why they say patience is very, very important. And we talked about the entries of gold, how to enter gold. We talked about that. I have like 2 videos on YouTube that shows how to enter gold. If you don't know how to enter gold, the strategy of stop loss hunt, when this live is finished, go look at those strategies. They will help you to enter gold well. And then members, when the market is trending, start using this moving average. You see this moving average? You see how nice it's working? Look at what is happening. This is 50 length moving average. The market touched here, the market went here, and then the market went here again. Look, you see how how this moving average is moving very well. So use this moving average, it can help you to get entries. So a moving average is like, it will help you, like it will work like a support and a resistance. You see how a moving average is working very well. So this line that you're seeing, members, this line that you're seeing, it is called a moving average. Put it on your computer, it will help you to get better entries. You understand? So this moving average works as a support or resistance. Whenever the market is going up and it comes and you see it being the market being getting rejections at that moving average, that can be your entry to go with the market. As you see here, the market created this, and then the market went up, came back at this level. This was supposed to be an entry to go up with it. So moving average 50 length is very, very important when it comes to entries. Guys, you're not seeing what's happening? Yes, African stories, don't worry, everything's going to be fine. Guys, if you're still seeing my chat, press 1. If you're not seeing what's happening, press 2. I don't know. I don't know whether you guys are seeing what's happening. It is network again. Guys, is it network? Okay, members, are you back or you are not back? Guys, are you back or the network is still giving us issues? So members, I was telling you that, my goodness. Members, can you see what is happening right now? Who is back? If you can see what's happening now, type 1. Network. Guys, is the network fine now? Fuck it. My boy is in them network. The network is not good. Hello, guys. Can you hear me now? Members, can you hear me now? Guys, man, the network, I'm on. I don't know what's going on. Just thing of networks, just issues. Just members, you can hear me. Okay, members, I want to teach you the last thing about the moving average. It is very, very important. It can give you better entries. Let me show you something little here. Members who are on the, we are going to be talking about this on Monday. Members who are going to be on the premium. This is okay. I'm going to show you how it is done. It's done here. You can do some more research. This is how it works. Let me. Okay, members, this you need to get this moving average. You see this moving average? This moving average works as a support distance. So you need to put it at length 50, and it's the 50 moving average. You understand? SMA. It is the one that you need to use. It can help you to filter which entries you need to have. For example, if you see the market was trending up, now what we are having, the market started trending up, the market went up, it came back over here. We saw rejections at this 50 SMA moving average, and then we started having another move. So what does it mean? This moving average works as a support or resistance. Let me show you something here. For those people who trade, It's the same thing. This moving average, it is very, 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 very important. So look what is happening, members. You see what is happening over here? So BTC is falling. I want you to see this. You understand? Let me show you something here. Members, you see this? Look at what is happening. The market was going up. As it goes up, it comes back. It comes back and goes up again. It comes back, it goes up again. So this moving average can help work as a support or resistance. You understand? It is very, very, very important. So put this moving average on your computer. So this moving average, we are going to go so deep in it, how you can really get entries on it. But go do some research about it. It is a very good moving average. Like for example, you see here, this 50 SMA, the market was trending up. The market came back and on the moving average, and then we touched here, and then the market continued up. So the 50 SMA moving average can help you for retracement. When the market comes to retrace before continuing its direction, it can work as a support or resistance. So it can help you if you see it, the 50 SMA getting rejected, and then you're already in that trend. That's why you have to enter the trade and then move with it. That's how you trade with the SMA 50. You understand? So we are done. Members, we are going to stop there. Mundeke Mungo, I am tired. But let me hope you have gotten that area of let me hope you guys have understood the area of the entry using the 50 this YouTube network. I don't know also. Guys, we are going to stop there. Mundeke Mungoye, I am tired, okay? Mundeke Munangendi Mund. I'm also a human being. I'm going to be live on TikTok in the next 1 hour from now or 30 minutes. 1 hour from now, I think so. So Mundeke Mungoye. But for your entries, consider moving average. It is a very good one. It can help you for retracement. It can work as a support or resistance. When you see it getting rejected, and you already are seeing your 1 hour is already bullish and 4 hour is also bullish, then you see 1 hour coming back for retracement, you see it being rejected, that would be a very good entry for you. You understand? First of all, make sure you only trade with the trend. Okay, it is very, very important. Make sure you only go with the market where the market is going. Okay, don't trade against the trend. It is not a good thing. Who has a question? Members, mundeke mubanange, even questions tugende tuzibuze ku mukutu. Museke mundeke mbanange mundeke allow me to go and rest. Munkoyeza nnyo. Thank you guys so much for being here. Members, don't give up, don't lose hope, okay? Keep on going, keep on going. Your time is coming, okay? Your time is really coming. I know sometimes it's very hard. You are getting a lot of losses, emotional torture. You are blowing accounts all the time. But as I've always told you, trading is like learning a language. It won't be as easy as you think. You understand? But something is going to work out, okay? So just keep on going, keep on pushing. Your time is coming. You understand? Bye, guys. Love you so much.